True to its name, beetroot juice is among the most widely consumed juices nowadays. As one could expect, the flavor is quite close to beets. This makes it challenging for people who aren't huge enthusiasts of this distinct flavor to consistently consume beet juice. Nonetheless, the health advantages outweigh the taste. Root vegetables, beets are available in red, yellow, and white variations. They are high in potassium, iron, magnesium, and the vitamins A and C. They provide a large amount of fiber as well. We're going to discuss the incredible health advantages of regularly consuming beet juice in this video. Let's discuss the 6 advantages of beetroot juice. 1. May prevent dementia. Beet juice consumption has been demonstrated to enhance cognition and promote brain health. Nitrates, found in beetroot juice, are transformed by the body into nitric oxide. By assisting in blood channel relaxation, nitric oxide raises blood flow and oxygen levels to the brain. This improves cognitive function and brain health. According to a recent study, nitric oxide guards against Alzheimer's. According to the research, increasing nitric oxide levels may offer a potential new strategy for treating or possibly preventing Alzheimer's. Nitric oxide has long been recognized by scientists as being crucial to brain function. It may, for instance, improve neuronal communication. However, its precise function is still unknown. 2. Encourages eye wellness. It has been demonstrated that beet juice benefits eye health by halting macular degeneration, a leading cause of blindness. The illness known as macular degeneration harms the retina. Millions of rods and cones, which are light-sensing cells, are found in the retina. You can see better in low light thanks to the rods and in fine detail thanks to the cones. Over time, macular degeneration causes damage to these light-sensing cells, which in certain cases results in blindness and vision loss. Age-related macular degeneration may be prevented or its progression slowed down by consuming beet juice, according to several studies. In one study, researchers showed that consuming beet juice every day for 12 weeks enhanced blood flow to the retina, which was then published in the British Journal of Nutrition. Additionally, in patients with early age-related macular degeneration, it decreased oxidative stress indicators. 3. Promotes healthy neuron and muscle function. The body has long been able to cure itself with the use of beet juice as a natural medicine. It was used to heal a variety of ailments in ancient Greece and Egypt. Beets are still widely used today to treat psoriasis, arthritis, cancer, and heart disease. One excellent source of potassium, a mineral that facilitates muscle contraction, is beet juice. Since potassium dissolves in water, it is an electrolyte. Because they facilitate the transmission of electrical signals between nerve and muscle cells, electrolytes are essential for the body's normal operation. By enabling your body to hold on to water or release it into the bloodstream as needed, electrolytes also assist in controlling blood pressure. As one of the highest vegetable sources of potassium, 400 mmg per cup, beets rank among the greatest sources of this mineral. By raising the body's choline levels, betaine, which is present in beets, can also aid in the contraction of muscles and nerve cells. An important nutrient called choline facilitates the body's neurons' ability to communicate from one place to another. Nerve cells and muscles may not be able to contract correctly in the absence of adequate choline. 4. Cleanses the liver. One of the most vital organs in the body, the liver carries out around 500 different tasks, such as creating blood and bile, eliminating toxins, and boosting immunity. It is crucial to maintain the health of your liver as a result. Maintaining a healthy liver is crucial for more than just keeping your blood pure and your digestive system operating. It also helps you stay mentally and physically energized. A sluggish liver may be the cause of your mental fog or sluggishness. Fortunately, there are easy ways to help this vital organ, such as consuming beet juice. The amino acid betaine, which is found in beets, helps maintain liver function. By removing dangerous toxins from the body, such as ammonia from protein breakdown, betaine aids in detoxification. Nitrates, which beets also contain in plenty, aid in the body's production of more oxygen-rich red blood cells. Because people with heart disease and high blood pressure often have low blood oxygen levels, this makes them very helpful to them. 5. Encourages good skin. Beet juice has several advantages for the skin. Beetroot juice's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities aid to lighten skin tone and lessen redness. A class of nutrients known as antioxidants shields your skin from the damaging effects of UV rays and other environmental elements. These nutrients consist of carotenoids like beta-carotene and lycopene, as well as vitamins A, C, and E. Additionally, antioxidants help to prevent or delay the aging-related or sun-induced damage to cells. Your body makes less antioxidants as you get older, and repairing damaged DNA strands is tougher. This raises your chances of later acquiring malignant cells. Additionally, betalain, found in beet juice, aids in the battle against free radicals that result in wrinkles and dark patches on the skin. A range of fruits and vegetables are colored by pigments called betalains. The most prevalent betalains are beta-cyanines, which are responsible for the rich red color of beets. 6. May prevent cancer. In short, beetroot juice is a nutritional miracle. Antioxidants and other minerals found in the root vegetable can help shield your body from illness. Beetle betalains are potent antioxidants that stimulate the body's detoxification enzymes, hence preventing cancer and other illnesses. Beet juice aids in the liver's removal of pollutants, particularly those that cause cancer. Beet juice has the potential to treat malignancies that already exist in addition to aiding in cancer prevention. On the list of foods that are best for treating and preventing cancer naturally, this one is at the top. Free radicals are unstable molecules that damage DNA and trigger cell death. Beets contain antioxidants that can combat these molecules. If free radical damage is not controlled, it can result in the development of cancer. Beet juice consumption has been shown in studies to prevent DNA damage by as much as 40%. By preventing the synthesis of inflammatory cytokines, proteins that encourage immune cells to cause inflammation throughout the body, betalains also have anti-inflammatory properties.